K Sangma Sima National People's Party harungkat ke jingeton lang ke National People's Youth Fund minta kesni kila pelong ye ke candlelight vigil ha office rekam jangka kum kadak ban ken mau buram ye gitu ki briu ki beladu e yala ke jingem ha ke jingesia ha oting Nagaland. Habakren na kanigasngi o menteri ketenat kakot kekia o James K Sangma uloong bakaseng NPP ke persyak juri ke Armed Forces Special Powers Act mula kenturu i ke jila jangkathan chatay mingi bandawa na ke sorkar India ban wengno ya ke Armed Forces Special Powers Act ke baay bor palatpot i ke shipai.
Very thankful to the National People's Youth Front, all our youth leaders who are present here today, who have organized this candlelight vigil in remembrance of the 14 innocent civilians who were brutally gunned down by security forces in Nagaland. This is really something that as a party we want to express to our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland that what has happened is so unfortunate and we condemn it in the highest possible manner. And today, as we light these candles, we want to express our solidarity with our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland. We would like to send out our condolences to the bereaved families, some of whom have lost their major bread earner. And this is really something that has brought into focus the whole discussion about the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the draconian nature of the AFSPA, the way that despite many justifications for its imposition in the Northeast, it has, on the contrary, worked against bringing about peace. Despite the many times that people of the Northeast have voiced their objection to AFSPA in the Northeast, and also our party, the NPP, which has always been very vocal against AFSPA, nothing has happened. But today, I believe that 14 of our brothers who have lost their lives, this should not go in vain. We must all stand united, not just people of Meghalaya, but all the people of Northeast, all our brothers and sisters there, not just the people of Nagaland, to come together, to stand united, and to say with one voice that we do not want the AFSPA, we want it repealed. And this is also a moment for us to appeal to the government of India that AFSPA should be repealed. And we maintain this stand that we have, that we are against AFSPA, and for too long have our people suffered. For too long has this draconian law been misused by security forces under the garb of this so-called empowering act, people have faced so many incidents of torture, of rape, of human rights abuse, and it is time that we should all stand united for the removal of AFSPA from the Northeast. As we light these candles, all my brothers, all my sisters in the NPYF, in the National People's Party, we send out a message of solidarity, and we send out our messages of condolences to our brothers and sisters in Nagaland. Thank you so much once again to NPYF for taking this initiative to organize this candlelight vigil. And once again, thank you. God bless you.
Party kiparlok kipres kilatun lang ban imeda habang update na media jikijingja kanu isang son haswa jong tu kakalimat bagi jasya Kanu kiar wai kia kemen halai jom ikam. Henry. Lengba joko di kaan AFSPA. La takhat jubwa. Ya ke ciem jom ki balului. Bat ya kan yang semua kata-kata ASHA. Tiada kata. Kumui unong ikam jong ke parti yang pipi. Kumnong sungsnong jong ke jalan Meghalaya. Bat kumui unong sungsnong jong ke dot east jong ngas ngauba. La kumno ya ka AFSPA di Bandung Madura nembar balai kanton ke jikata nang ni syahman kham tam iki samla kibom jurong ke jingmod ki balungkot yo kan poi sak jam kala dia nak kata daw lengba ini jingkrem khadiat nagarpat bang sarkar pedeng lakum no kan perkar asir pan wengno shisdon yakani ka at tang di ini kitian kublish buat